Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wonder what truly gets delivered when software goes from code to production? It's not just magic, it's meticulous engineering. Today, we're diving into the unsung heroes of DevOps artifacts. Imagine a software development team bustling with activity. Our brilliant developers are crafting elegant lines of code, building the next big thing. This code, our raw material, is fantastic, but it's not ready for prime time yet. It's like flour, sugar, and eggs. Delicious ingredients, but you can't serve them raw. This is where the build phase kicks in. Our CI, divided by CD pipeline, like a super efficient automated bakery, takes that raw code, it compiles it, links it, and packages it up. This transformation is crucial. And what emerges from this process? Artifacts. These aren't just any files, they are the finished, polished products. Think of them as the perfectly baked cakes ready for delivery. They could be executable files, libraries, web archives, or even entire Docker images. Each one is a self-contained, deployable unit, stamped with a unique version number. The beauty of an artifact? It's immutable. Once created, it never changes. If a bug is found or a feature added, we don't tweak the old artifact. We bake a brand new one with a new version number. This guarantees consistency and makes rollbacks a breeze. These precious packages are then stored in an artifact repository, a digital warehouse where everything is cataloged and safe. From this repository, artifacts embark on their journey. They travel through various environments: development, testing, staging, and finally, production. Because they are immutable and versioned, we know exactly what we are deploying at every single step. No more, "It worked on my machine," nightmares. So, the next time you use an app or a service, remember the humble artifact. It's the tangible output of countless hours of coding and automated precision, ensuring that what was built, tested, and approved is exactly what you get. Artifacts are the backbone of reliable, scalable software delivery in DevOps. If you found this insightful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of DevOps.